Welcome to Traveling Bits. We are at Kumbhirgram Airport, which is around 29 kilometers from Silchar town. Silchar Airport has been growing rapidly and currently is the fourth busiest airport in northeast of India. Earlier, on a day, there used to be only one flight by Air India. Nowadays, there are multiple flights every day by three companies, namely SpiceJet, Indigo and Air India. Now, one can take a direct flight from Silchar to Bangalore, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kolkata and Mumbai. And earlier, the airport was more like a tabletop. But looks like these days, they have hugely improved the infrastructure of the airport. The takeoff doesn't look like anymore a plunge into a gorge. We can now see the meandering Chiri river along the way. The river is very near to Kumbhirgram Airport. Silchar Airport shot to fame in December 1985 when the first ever all-women crew flight in the world was operated by Air India on the Kolkata to Silchar route. According to Yatra.com, it is the second fastest growing domestic airport after Surat. Flight landing and takeoff gives an awesome way of seeing the topography of that particular city. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel Traveling Bits and click on the bell icon for future updates.